Are you a strong supporter in protecting your health in the air in our environment? One of the most helpful ways to help our environment is to build green. Green building is a way for our community to take responsibility for the harmful things we put into our environment and preserve our own natural resources. The Environmental Protection Agency, also known as the EPA, considers build a green building that is resource efficient throughout its life cycle. When a green building is built, they take into account for concerns with the economy, utility, durability, and comfort. The main focus for these buildings is that they are safe and don't harm the environment and put harmful chemicals into our air. A downfall most people see in building green is the cost it takes. It takes more cost to build these green buildings, but what people don't understand is that after they build them, they're actually saving money by lowering the operating cost. There are three main reasons for building green. 1. Efficiently using energy, water, and other resources. 2. Protecting occupant health and improving employee productivity. And 3. Reducing water pollution and environmental degradation. Green building efficiently uses energy, water, and other resources. Recycled or reused materials are very often used in green building. When they are being constructed, they are able to reduce construction costs by using recycled or reused materials. Pollutants are also used very minimal in green buildings so they can have a healthier indoor air quality. Non-toxic materials are used because they can protect against respiratory and other diseases. When greenhouse gas emission is used less, it can increase the air quality also. Solar panels are very popular with green homes because they produce enough energy for one household, and most of them don't ever use the energy that solar panels produce. The landscape green buildings use require very little maintenance. They use what we call native plants, and native plants don't require that much water along with maintenance. That means that the operating cost for these plants is very minimal and is very environmental friendly. The upkeep for green building landscape is not much at all. With the green building landscape helps with two things. It helps preserve natural resources, along with it prevents waste and pollution. Green building also protects the health of the people and improves productivity of employees who work in green buildings. Green buildings have great indoor air quality. The buildings were designed to improve the comfort of people along with their health. This means that the air quality is very important and was designed to protect and promote healthy lifestyles. Less employees try to take off or call in whenever they have good indoor air quality because it is more comfortable to work in. With the protection of their health, it also reduces insurance costs and liability risks. Green buildings also try to use natural light to lighten up their buildings and not use toxic materials to harm people. Green buildings also use very artistic qualities. Green buildings reduce waste, pollution, and the degrading of the environment. According to the EPA, development and construction can have environmental impacts on our natural resource. In 2002, building accounted for 39.4% of total U.S. energy consumption and 67.9% of total electricity consumption. Along with 12.2% of total water in the U.S. is consumed by building occupants per day. Natural surfaces of buildings and transportation infrastructure that serves them are replaced with impermeable materials that creates pollutants and sediments to run into surface water. This is a big problem for the water resource. Buildings in the U.S. make up for 38.1% of the nation's total carbon dioxide emission. What people should be more concerned about is the energy used for the heat and power for these buildings. One good thing with green buildings is that they improve air and water quality along with conserving and restoring our natural resource. There's no harm in green building to anyone. In fact, it can improve human health and also save our natural environment. I believe everyone should take a little responsibility and try to protect our health and our own environment by doing just a few things green. In fact, just about anything can be green. Homes, buildings, cars, and the little fact about going to a grocery store. Instead of using the plastic bags that they have there, why don't you just go and take your own reusable bags? Just by building green, you can reduce the energy cost, reduce water cost, and can even help people's health. Going green can also increase the productivity of employees, waste and cut down along with pollution, and the most important thing is that it helps save our environment. I have never heard of anyone against helping our planet become better, so I challenge you to take a few seconds to care about protecting our air and water quality by building green in the future. And maybe just one good green deed a day can save our planet.